27th of April 2025 ni muthenya ugutigwo wi history muturire-ini wa Karangũ wa Muraya na Triza mamake Muraya, because after 2.5 months of drama kuma riria tuonire Triza mamake Muraya akiuma gwake mucii the matrimonial home na akiuga she is no longer comfortable in that house, muthenya wa ira 27th of April ni turonire a very big reunion ya Karangũ wa Muraya na Triza mamake Muraya. Turonire haria event-ini ya Triza Karangũ wa Muraya akiyumiria na akiruta apology ciake wi Triza because of the things that have been going on online. Ni muthenya urakorirwo wetereirwo na njira imwe nene muno ni andu, na sijui kama ulikuwa pale hivyo ama ulijifikisha pale hivyo, because the drama was 100%. Drama after drama after drama. Muthenya wa ira turaonaga tu mtu tu ameingia tu hivyo tu, nduru inajaza the whole room, mwingine anaingia nduru inajaza the whole room. There was a lot of suspense, a lot of expectations, whether mzungu atakuja, whether Karangũ ni eguka, gukwaria atia, pastor kuga, MC ekwaria atia, a lot of things, a lot of Wajanyarari ekwaria auge atia, githege kuga atia, how will Triza react, all those questions. And nishirarikirie gukoro shikiona aja muthenya wa 27th of April. Now, of course, things went well. I don't know if they went as planned. Dio ika ni marathire uria kurabangitwo, but it is what it is. Karangũ wa Muraya came na aragikorwo akiheo lecture mwenene muno haria ni Wajanyarari akiuga ati ti ati arasupportagi Triza tondu ni arasupporti divorce. No, matingiraikarire uguo mone mwanawe ni akiita ainagirwo tarusi uria weitire. Drathikirire speech yo ya Wajanyarari, and Wajanyarari is so composed na amepanga thoughts zake fiti sana. Uria wa muigwa ni uraigwa anima uguo uga niguo fatikuga, no addition no subtraction. Ni arakiariria haria na raheana lecture atumire tuone Karangũ wa Muraya agituika emotional. No Karangũ wa Muraya arikia gukirugama na kwaria, what was expected akorwo akiaria is not what he said according to Wajanyarari. Wajanyarari arauga wigie kiria Karangũ wa Muraya araririe na arauga a golden chance missed. Oniguo Wajanyarari arauga that Karangũ wa Muraya missed a golden chance. Today we all attended a beautiful function, a celebration of resilience and talent. The man who once abandoned his wife for a side chick, a side affair, showed up. He even gave a financial token during the launch of his wife's song. In my speech, I graciously gave him a platform, a golden opportunity to redeem himself, a moment to address the deep wounds he had inflicted, the humiliation, the neglect, the pain of being left to struggle while another was uplifted. He did not apologize to the wife, but diverted the apology to parents, which is well accepted. It's a plus. He got a platform. He could have spoken. He could have apologized. He could have acknowledged her grievances for lacking a proper phone, to yearning for a home in the city, while another was hospitalized. From driving a small car while the other was having a better one. From mending his ways and declare she is the only queen. But he chose silence on the major issues the wife addressed. And so I gave my speech, closed that chapter, and prayed that the wife will walk forward with wisdom, that she will make the right decisions for her future, and she will continue to rise in her gifts, talents, and dignity. Just like every wise dancer knows when to exit the stage, I now put my tools down on this matter. We have empowered her. We have trusted her. The next step belongs to her. May grace and courage guide her journey. Thank you all for the love and support. May God bless you all. Wajanyarari araugire after event aradikire arauga ati despite what happened, despite Karangũ wa Muraya gukoro danaikorwo akioya chance eyo gukoro akiapologize na ku address maundu maria Triza akoretwo akiuga ageragira kihiko-ini kiu, she has now put her tools down. Ni ethamba uhoro ucio na atigira Triza akorwo akimake decision yake riu tondu her intention was not to break the marriage. Her intention was for those things to get sorted. Na kuona ati maundu ni mathiete uria mathiete, and from what I saw event in eyo from what I saw.
Ha. Ngiandige kwamba kwaria ndeto icio tondie kana no ende njuge tondirari handu ikihakwo rangi ngai tigai guthaka ikihakwo rangi Gatondo tunahama tuko na ingine hapa karibu lakini sitaki kusema ekayo ng'ombe bye bye no mumenye koro gutire ng'ombe iria mutingionaga no anyita ekayo kuku bye bye okayo demio bye bye Lura kaideke mwire haria haraokwo maundu maria mundu uyu athondekete ndikwenda kwaria muno ndaonda gitoko ndekwenda njuge no haha uguo ritho na iniuru haha ndakwira wewe wathika road haha uguo uri ukaga Bruna ndagika igiri
maybe ona Triza maraumire event yo mena Karago. From what I saw kumagia na oria ni dronire maybe ka Triza raumire event yo gari imwe na Karago, but we don't want to judge, we don't want to tureda tuyonere itho the na maitho guku nende-ini cia ukinyaniria, but kuona te wanja Nyarari ameoga mkono pale hivyo na ameachia Triza na Karago meke uria mekwenda githaiga ona ake ni akorirwo akirekereria ndumiriri na auga ati the next chapter ifati gukorwo tugisupport Triza. Decision iria ekuoya, we support her. Auga nirenda gucoka mucie, we support her, provided through that she is empowered, that she ni muini wega tu, that she ni influential in a brands she is working for, na she really needs modo ukomufanga. If she feels that egukoro efiti moko-ini ma Karago again, who are we? Makoreto me hamwe miaka 13, who are we to break that? Ndiye maoni maku megie uhoro ucio.